So sis, I know you're coming for me, yes. So I also want to do this intro for this video with the same outfit and the same makeup, okay? So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Gleens, and you guys, in this video I'm going to do something exciting, something that I didn't do before. Or I kind of did something like this before. I made a set where I used the Kiss Gel Kit. I've ordered a nail kit on AliExpress where I only bought it for, I think it was 24 euros. I think that's like 25 to 26 dollars. But you guys, I'm really excited about this. I'm going to make a set only using all the things, or not all the things, I'm only using supplies that I got from the set, or I mean the kit. I'm only using these supplies. So I really wanted to show you that you can achieve a pretty set and looking classy and looking professional only using this $24 nail kit from AliExpress, you guys. Yes, it's included a lamp, a drill, so yes, shocking, but it is very cheap and you get a lot of things. I will show you in a couple of seconds what all I got in the kit. So yes, you guys, before you go and keep on watching, go to my Instagram, show me some love. I will put it in the screen so you can go ahead and follow me on the Instagram. Go ahead and follow me also on TikTok, because you know these days TikTok, everybody is on TikTok. So I made a TikTok for you guys where I make videos daily when I'm working of sets that I'm doing. So go ahead and go on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, and then go ahead and watch this video. So yeah, you guys, now I'm going to show you the supplies that you will get into the nail kit. You will get the UV lamp. You can press on the buttons to turn it on, but you can also put your hand on the lamp to turn it on, and it will turn on automatically. And next you will get some glitters. You will get 48 glitters. You will get some nail tips. You will get a buffer, and you will get some builder gel. You will get white gel, you will get clear and also pink gel. You will get some detailing brush, some nail remover pads. You will get some nail design, some striping tapes. You will get some tip guides that you can use. You will get a manicure brush. You will get a cuticle oil. I think this one is pretty cute. And you will also get some of these pedicure things that you can put into your toes. You will get some cuticle pushers and some tools. You will get some forms. You will get 3 nail files. So you will also get these nail remover thingies. You will get some gel polish, a base coat and a top coat. I'm going to swatch the colors that you will get. 43, number 43. 19, it's like a pink, a blue with glitter. It's number 11. You will also get like a similar number 12. You will get a purple, 23, and this is a pink. I got 2 of these. Number 6, number 27 is light pink, and that light blue. And this is the second one that I got, the same color. And I got a 45, which is also similar to the 43, I think. I don't see a difference. And you will also get a hand file, or I mean a e-file, and with these bits. And now I'm showing you, you will also get a glue, but I couldn't open the glue, so I've used my own glue. Now I'm wiping the nails to clean with the remover pads and pushing by the cuticles with my cuticle pusher. And I've cleaned the cuticle pusher before I've used it with the remover pad, and now I'm using the electric file with the sanding band on low speed to get off the natural shine of the nails, and to also get into the cuticle area to get off the dead skin. And next I'm applying the tips. I'm using my own glue because the glue that I got wouldn't open. So this is how they look after applying the tips. Now I'm cutting the nail tips. I really want to use the things that I've got into the nail kit, but I didn't get any clipper, so I've used my own. So yeah, you guys, I'm cutting it into a coffin shape. I'm using my nail clipper with a flat side. That is pretty easy to get the coffin shape. As you can see, I'm just clipping at the sides, and you will pretty fast get the coffin shape. But I'm going to file with my hand file to get the shape more perfect, but you will see that in a couple of seconds. Okay, so now I'm using the hand file to perfect the shape, and you guys, I have to say that I think that these hand files are trash. I'm so sorry, but they were bending, they felt cheap. But yeah, you guys, I made it work. But I think that the nail tips were really hard, so I like the nail tips so far, but the hand files were really cheap. They felt like really soft. So yeah, next I'm using my manicure brush to get off the dust, and I'm using the sanding band again to blend in the tip into the natural nail and also get at the cuticle area again, and to also get the excess dead skin from the cuticle area. Okay, so I'm using the pads again to get any excess dust or oils from the nail, and I'm using the gel base coat on the nails because the package didn't came with any primer or any super bond. So I've used this gel base coat because I really wanted to use everything that I've got only into the kit, so I can show you guys how to achieve a pretty and cute set but cheap at home. I'm curing it under my lamp, and I'm mixing the pink with the white builder gel because I thought that I will get a cover pink or a more opaque pink color. So I've mixed it to get a more pinky opaque pink color. Now as you can see, I'm like applying the gel. You guys, I have to say that I was really struggling doing these gel nails because this was my first time using gel. I've never used gel because I know that it will drip and it's runny, so I don't really like gel, but this is the first time me using some gel, so I was struggling. So don't come for me that I'm doing it wrong. If you have any tips, you guys, let me know in the comments below, because I'm not a prof at using gel at all. I just can't. If you have any tips, let me know in the comments below, and maybe I will make another video for you guys where I use your tips into the gel with gel nails, because this is really not my thing. So I'm just trying to clean up the edges where the gel is dripping. And actually, guys, I thought that it was a acrylic nail kit. That's what is said on AliExpress in the description. So I really thought it was a acrylic nail kit, but when it came, it was gel. So I thought maybe this is a new thing for me to try. So yeah, you guys, I will put a link in the description box below of the nail kit that I've bought, so you can also check it out if you want. And I've cured it under my lamp, and as you can see, I've got some bubbles. I don't know why, but I've got some bubbles. I don't know why that was, but now I'm applying the second coat, and I have to say to you guys, make sure you really cure these nails under the lamp, because otherwise it will be still wet in the middle. So I had a bad experience with that, or it's not a bad experience because I've learned from it. But just make sure you cure it under the lamp for like 2 minutes or 3 if you can. Okay, so I've done the other nails. Struggling with the other nails, I found out that it is easier to like put the nails downwards, so the gel will drip downwards, so it won't get into the cuticle area. So that was a really good thing that I've learned while doing these nails. So maybe a tip for you guys if you also don't know how to work with gel. So yeah, when you put the nail downwards, the gel will also drip downwards. Okay, so I've cured all the nails under my lamp, and now I'm using the sanding band again to smooth out the nails and to shape the nails more sharp. And yeah, you guys, I have to say that I'm sorry that I'm talking too much in this video, but I really want to explain to you guys what my experience was with using these kits. So I've used this bit that came with the kit on the cuticle area, but I think I filed too much and the pinky wasn't really cured, so you can see that I filed it off. So I went on and fixed that, and now I'm going to file the nails with my hand file. And now I'm going to use the gel polish to make some really cute nail design for you guys, like a drippy nail design. And after I'm done with the design, I'm curing it, I'm flash curing it under my lamp before going ahead to the next nail. Okay, so next I'm using the top coat that I also got in the kit. And after that I'm curing it again under my lamp. And you guys, I forgot to mention that I didn't got a gel brush or a brush to apply the gel in the kit, so I've used a old small brush that I've had to apply the gel. Okay, so now I'm applying the cuticle oil, and this is how the nails look, you guys. This is how they came out. I think they came out cute. It was a little difficult for me to get these nails like this, but I made it work. So I hope you guys have learned something from this video. I'm sorry that I've talked too much, but I really wanted to explain this the best that I could for you guys. I will put the link of this nail kit in the description box below. So yes, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this set. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this set, and let me know if you also had bought this AliExpress kit and what you think about it. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, or only subscribe if you like my content and if you like my videos. It's for free, so I would really appreciate it, you guys. And yeah, go ahead, subscribe, share this video with your family and friends. We are almost at 30k, so we will be doing a giveaway. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.